Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're learning, we are taking ayah number 7 of Surah Abasa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما عليك ألا يزكى the makhraj of wa, the articulation point of waw is circling of your lips. Simply circle your lips and for fatha open your jaws. Wa, ma is 2 counts long because there are 3 mad, tabi'i, natural mad in Quran. When alif, you find fatha before it, ya, you find kasra before it, and waw, when you find dhamma before it. واو ساكنة قبلها مضموم يا ساكنة قبلها مكسور ألف ساكنة قبلها مفتوح وما عين from your throat and short lay, it's a lean letter. Whenever you find fatha before waw sakina, you find fatha, or you find fatha before ya sakina, fatha, you will make it too long, too haraka long too, but it will be soft. Alayka, ka is short. This is called harf lean. Alayka, alla. Hamza is a very strong letter. For fatha, open your jaws. What is the articulation point of Hamza? Hamza is pronounced from your lower throat, and it is a strong letter. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with the lam. Allah, la is 2 counts long. Why? Because you find alif and before alif there is fatha. So you look this category. This is a natural mad, long vowel, 2 haraka long. Allah, yes, ya is soft. And for when you touch za, you will give a buzzing sound, whistle sound in it. Za, sin, za. Za, sin, sod are 3 letters which are the whistling sounds. So, yes, look, there should be a buzzing sound. Yazakka, ka, 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips for to pronounce waw or fatha. Open your jaws. Hamza is a very strong letter for fatha. Open your jaws and attach it with meme. And whenever you find noon or meme with tashdid, you will give it a 2 haraka gunna, longer gunna, akmal gunna. So look, here you find meme with tashdid, so you will give longer akmal gunna here. Wa this is gunna, and then there is mad letter, long vowel, alif sakina qablaha maftu. Look, you find here alif sakina qablaha maftu, alif. When you find alif and there is fatha before it, look, alif and there is fatha before it, you will make it 2 haraka long. Wa this is gunna, and now you are making it natural long. Ma, man, this is ikhfa. You will hide the sound of noon here, and you will go towards jim, keeping the sound in your nose. Ikhfa is simply gunna too. You are keeping the sound in your nose. It is very important. Man, ja is 4 haraka long. Whenever you find hamza and you find mad letter before it, look, there is alif, and before alif you find fatha. This is mad letter, and you find hamza after it, then it will not be 2 haraka long anymore, it will be 4 haraka long. Ja'a, ka, ka, yes, yeah is soft. Give whistle sound on scene. This is a safir letter. Yes, ayn from your throat, and it will be 2 counts long because this alif stands, this standing fatha stand for a full fatha. So alif, there is alif and you find fatha before it, so you make it 2 haraka long. Wa, circle your lips to pronounce wow, and for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, hu. Circle your lips for dhamma. Wa, wow. Circle your lips for wow, and for fatha, open your jaws. And these all three should have a same length. Shouldn't wow longer than ha, and then no, it should be a straight same length. Wa, hu, wa, huwa, yakhsha. Yeah, for fatha, open your jaws, and kha, give rakhawa, flow of sound, yakh, and that is heavy too. Khussa, and qis are the letters which are always heavy. Yakhsha, sha is 2 counts long. Fa, fa has flow of breath. This is a hums letter. Fa, hums. Capital H and small m stands for hums. Fa, ang, this is ikhfa. You find noon sakin, and for after noon sakin there is a ikhfa letter. So you will hide the sound of noon here, and you will keep the sound in your nose while going towards the makhraj of ta. Ta, ta is short. An, ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, and here you will give tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Whenever you find lin amar are the 5 letters. Whenever any letter among them gets sakoon, you will give medium flow of sound. An, you will not stop it abruptly. You will not say an, who. No, you give a medium flow of sound. An, who. Circle your lips for ha. Ta, la, ta is short. La. For ha, give a rakhawa, flow of sound. La, ha. Ha, 2 counts long too. First attach lam with ha, la, and then ha, talaha, kalla, innaha tadhkirah. Kaf is soft, and for this kaf is attached with lam, kal, and then this is 4 haraka long now. Why? This was a natural long mad. Alif sakina qablaha maftu. Alif, there is alif sakina, and you find fatha before it. This is this condition which is being met. So if you find hamza after it, it will not be 2 haraka long anymore. It will be stretched 4 haraka now or long now. Whenever you find hamza after mad letter, you will stretch it 4 haraka now, 4 haraka longer vowel now. Kalla, in hamza. For hamza, give very strong sound. For kasra, give e, in. And for noon, when you find noon, look, this is the category. Whenever you find noon or meme with tashdid, you will give a longer akmal gunna in your nose. In, na. For fatha, this sound is short. Only gunna is longer. In, this is longer. And for fatha, it's short. Na, ha. Ha is 2 counts long. Why? Because it belongs to this category. Look, this is alif, and you find fatha before alif, you will make it 2 haraka long. Look, these 2 conditions are being met here. Look, alif sakina qablaha maftu. Alif is very much empty, and there is fatha before it, so you will make it 2 haraka long. Ha, taz, ra will get rakhawa. The sound will keep on going. Tazki, ki is short. Ra, ra is heavy. Whenever it gets fatha, it is heavy. Ra. And whenever you find this circled ta, yeah, look, listen what I'm saying. When you find circled ta, not the open ta like this, not this one, no. Whenever you find this ta, circled ta, and you find, look, 2 dots here, this one, Whenever you find circle ta at the sukoon, when you are giving a waqf, you will change this circle ta into ha. You'll remove these two dots. You will remove these dhamma. What will be left? Ha with sukoon. Tadhkira. Fa, flow of breath. For fatha, open your jaws. Man, ikhfa, keep your sound in your nose and hide the sound of noon. Go towards the makhraj of sheen. Faman sha. Sha is 4 haraka long because you find hamza after mud letter. This is a natural. This was a natural long vowel alif. When you find alif, fatha before alif, you will make it 2 haraka long. But whenever you will find hamza after it, then you will stretch it 4 haraka long now. Sha'a, the short, ka short, ra. You will yes, this ra is attached with ha, ذكر. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.